everybody, welcome to Sharon's Home and Garden. I'm a mess because I've been working. Today I'm going to create a new bed for my onions. I didn't get the garden expansion that I wanted to get this year. It was a blessing in disguise because my cat ended up needing surgery, and I paid for the surgery what I probably would have paid for the garden expansion. So I spent the money on my cat because that was more important. So what I've done so far here, I just need a little bed to put some onions in. And I might do another one. So let me show you what I've done so far. So far I have dug up this grass. This grass was pretty sketchy to begin with. It was, I had a pallet on it last year with a bunch of pots, and so the grass is already dead. It kind of looked like this here. See how this grass here is really dead? That's because I had a pallet on it. And so what I ended up doing was taking my rototiller. I just have one of these little rototillers. I mean, that rototiller is probably 20 years old. And just dug up the remaining grass. And then I took my shovel and turned everything over just to make sure I got most of the roots. Now I am going to be putting down a landscape barrier, fabric barrier. And then I'm going to use these landscape timbers that I have, and I'm going to see if I can build a bed. Let's see what happens. Drilled holes in this, and this will fit in there like that. These little short rebars. So that first load was just compost that I got from the city. This load, which is going to be more toward the top, I added peat to it. It helps with water retention. It balances pH. It's just makes a nice sort of a potting soil. So I'm going to mix this up. The compost I got from the city. They have a big, huge pile of it that they always set out all summer. It's really nice, but I don't want it to get real hard. And that's where the potting soil and the peat moss, the moss, will come into play. That should work. I basically pounded in some rebar in the end until I can get to the store and buy a couple more shorter pieces of rebar. So now all I have to do is plant it. I'm going to put onions in here, and hopefully they will do really well. It's a good day to do this because it's like it's cloudy, it's not real hot. So let me get these. And what it is with the compost, there's tons of plastic in it. It's not a good sign. So that's it. Quick little garden bed. Should yield me, hopefully, cross your fingers, should yield me lots of onions. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Always remember, be it ever so humble, there's no place like home. Bye, everybody.